Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to receive payment QuickBooks Online. First, ensure your QuickBooks Online account is properly configured to accept payments. This involves connecting your bank accounts and any preferred payment gateways, like QuickBooks Payments or PayPal. Setting this up correctly from the start will streamline your entire payment collection process, making it much faster and easier to get paid. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started quickly. Once your setup is complete, the next step is creating and sending invoices. QuickBooks Online allows you to generate professional, customized invoices that clearly state the services or products provided, the amount due, and the payment terms. Make sure to include a specific due date to encourage timely payments. Sending these invoices electronically directly from QuickBooks saves time and ensures your customers receive them promptly, speeding up your payment cycle. After receiving a payment, it's crucial to record it accurately in QuickBooks Online. This involves matching the payment to the corresponding invoice, ensuring your accounts receivable are always up to date. Regularly reconciling your bank accounts with QuickBooks helps verify that all transactions are accounted for and that your financial records are precise. This practice prevents discrepancies and gives you a clear picture of your cash flow, which is vital for any business. To further expedite payments, offer your customers a variety of convenient payment options, such as credit cards, bank transfers, or even Apple Pay. Consider setting up automated reminders within QuickBooks for invoices that are approaching or past their due date. This gentle nudge can significantly reduce late payments. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Implementing these strategies will help you get paid faster and maintain healthy cash flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.